Mother's Day is around the corner, and what a better way to show your love and appreciation than by making a beautiful paper flower bouquet for your mom. Not only is this a thoughtful and heartfelt gift, but it's also an affordable and easy DIY project that you could do at home. The materials you'll need for this craft are flower DIY templates, which you could find in our blog at basicproducts.com. It has 2 pages and has 4 different flowers, colored paper, any adhesive, scissors, and coloring materials. The first step you're going to do is color your flowers on the template. After you're done coloring your flowers, cut out the template. Next, we'll be making the stem. Taking any color printer size paper, we're going to be cutting it into 4 pieces. Taking one of those pieces using a pen, pencil, or marker, roll up one corner to the pen, pencil, or marker you're using, and then roll until you have some structure. And then once you get that structure, remove the marker and then roll the rest of the paper. Once the paper is all rolled up, use any glue or tape to seal it all together. Now that we have the flowers and stem ready, we're going to put them all together. Taking one flower, glue a little bit of the back and then attach the stem to that part. And then taking the leaves, you're going to glue the front part so then it attaches to the back part of the stem. Repeat the process for the remaining flowers you make. You can leave the flowers as is individually, or you could put it all together in a bouquet, which we will show you in this next part. Taking any color printer size paper, we're going to have one corner facing the top, as shown here. And then we're going to fold this section here about 1 to 2 inches twice. If you want your flowers to stay in place, you could glue or tape them down, which we did here. Then taking the left corner, we're going to wrap that around the flowers, fold down the paper, and then taking the right side, folding that over. And if there's any extra pieces, you want to fold that over to the back. You could leave this looking like this, but we decided to fold the bottom portion to the back so it's a little bit more neater. And then glue down that part so it stays in the back. Feel free to write any messages on the bouquet part, like Happy Mother's Day, I love you, and any other messages you would like to write to your mother. Thanks for joining us today to create this beautiful bouquet of paper flowers for Mother's Day. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more DIYs. See you in our next video!